Next numerical, we have to start with 2.3b. So 2.3b, I'll first read out the numerical. Molarity of solution we have to calculate, in which 30 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4 is diluted to 500 ml. 30 ml of 0.5 molar sulfuric acid diluted to 500 ml. So here M1 is given as 0.5 molar, V1 is given as 30 milliliter. Now this 30 milliliter of 0.5 molar sulfuric acid is diluted to 500 ml. So V2 is equal to 500 ml. When we dilute, we have to add water. So now what is the molarity of the final solution that we have to calculate? So molarity of final solution will be written as M2. This sum is 2.3b. So M1 and M2, V1 and V2. And we have to use the formula which we use in volumetric analysis. So it is M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. M2 is unknown. So M2 is equal to, we'll shift this V2 here, M1 V1 upon V2. So M2 is equal to, M1 is 0.5, V1 is 30 and V2 is 500 ml. You solve this, you will get your final answer. Okay. Next, we will be doing 2.4. Calculate the mass of urea. Urea formula is given as NH2CONH2. Calculate mass of urea required in making 2.5 kilogram of 0.25 molar aqueous solution. So we have to calculate how much solute we have to dissolve to make 2.5 molar aqueous solution whose weight is 2.5 kilogram. So first we have to calculate what is the meaning of 0.25 molar urea. Meaning of 0.25 molar urea is 0.25 mole of urea has to be dissolved. 0.25 mole of urea has to be dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Remember, this is molar, so solvent is important. We don't have to take volume in this case. So molar mass of urea, that is 1 mole of urea, is we have to add 2 nitrogen, that is 28. We have to add 4 hydrogen. We have to add 1 carbon and 1 oxygen. So when you add all of them, the answer comes out to be plus 60 gram. So molar mass is 60 gram. So 1 mole of urea is equal to 60 gram. Therefore, we want 0.25 mole. So 0.25 mole of urea is equal to 15 gram. Is equal to 0.25 into 60, which is equal to 15 gram. That means we have to dissolve 15 gram of urea. Now final weight of solution is given as 2.5 kilogram. So just 1 minute. So 15 gram of urea in 1000 gram of water will be making 0.25 molar solution. So mass of this solution will be 1000 plus 15, which is equal to 1015 gram. Now in this 1015 gram of solution, 15 gram of urea is present, and we have to make final mass of solution is 2.5 kilogram, which is equal to 2500 gram. So we will cross multiply that 15 gram of urea is present in 1015 gram solution. Therefore, X gram of urea will be present in 2500 gram of solution. Therefore, X is equal to, we will cross multiply, it will be 2500 into 15 divided by 1015, and that is your final answer. Let me calculate it using calculator and I will tell you your final answer is 2500 multiplied with 15 divided by 1015, which is equal to 36.94 gram. This is my final answer, that for preparing 0.25 molar solution of urea, I have to dissolve 36.94 gram of urea. Next numerical is little lengthy, so I'll explain you in next video.